Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and add notes in Messenger. But before that, please make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For the matter, the first thing would be simply for us to first update our app if we haven't. Then we're gonna go ahead tap on our Messenger. Once we have opened up our Messenger, we can see there are notes that people have added on top of their profile where we used to find it before as well, right? But now we have this little text or notes that they keep on top of their profiles. We can see that, right? So for us, if you want to have them same, we're going to go to our plus icon that will be shown on our profile, right, just over here, and then we're going to tap on it, and now we can share any kind of notes. Let's say we can share anything, and we have tap on share, and now we can see we have our own note there. So that's the way we can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys on our next video.